A colossal industrial titan awakens under the golden morning sun.
Heavy transport navigates the internal roads toward the receiving bays.
Precision docking aligns the tanker with the high-tech intake valves. Workers connect stainless steel hoses to transfer the liquid sweetener.
Valves open, revealing the intricate stainless steel plumbing network. Pallets of dry ingredients are unloaded via branded electric forklifts.
Materials enter the cavernous, climate-controlled raw material warehouse.
Digital inventory systems scan and log every kilogram received.
Quality control technicians extract samples for immediate purity testing. Approved ingredients are transferred into massive internal storage silos.
Raw water enters the multi-stage purification facility for rigorous treatment.
Water is forced through layers of sand and activated carbon filters.
Reverse osmosis membranes polish the water to absolute molecular perfection.
Pure water meets granulated sugar in the massive thermal dissolvers.
Simple syrup undergoes pasteurization to ensure absolute safety and stability.
The secret concentrate formula arrives from the secure storage vault.
Concentrate and syrup blend, transforming into the iconic dark liquid.
Giant agitators swirl the mixture into a perfectly consistent batch. Lab technicians verify the syrup's sugar content and acidity levels.
Powerful pumps transfer the finished syrup toward the filling lines.
Liquid carbon dioxide is prepared in cryogenic tanks for carbonation.
Water, syrup, and CO2 converge at the high-tech proportioning unit.
Thousands of PET preforms arrive, ready to become iconic bottles.
Rollers align the preforms into a single, orderly procession. Infrared ovens soften the plastic to the perfect molding temperature. High-pressure air expands the plastic into the signature contour shape. Air conveyors whisk the lightweight bottles toward the filling room. A powerful rinse cycle scours every bottle with purified water. Clean bottles enter the pressurized environment of the filler bowl. Cold Coca-Cola flows spiraling down into the waiting bottles. The iconic Coca-Cola wraparound label is applied with high-speed precision. Intelligent camera systems inspect every label for perfect alignment and placement. A laser coater permanently etches the batch number and expiry date. Optical character recognition verifies the legibility and accuracy of the date code. X-ray technology scans the liquid level to ensure the precise fill volume. Defective bottles are instantly diverted from the production line into a reject bin. Bottles enter a massive accumulation table, buffering the line flow.
A skilled operator performs a final visual check under high-intensity inspection lights.
Mechanical lane dividers split the single file into multiple parallel streams. The organized lanes of bottles convey smoothly towards the packaging machinery. Precision dividers separate the continuous flow into perfectly counted groupings. The bottles enter the intake zone of the robotic case packer. Flat cardboard blanks are folded into sturdy, branded trays. The robotic arm gently deposits the bottles into the waiting tray. A continuous sheet of printed film wraps the entire package. The heat tunnel shrinks the film into a tight, secure skin. Cooling fans harden the plastic, while laser coaters mark the pack. Finished packs ascend a spiral conveyor toward the palletizing hall. The palletizer area prepares a sturdy base for the massive load. A robotic giant stacks the cases with mathematical precision. Cardboard slip sheets are inserted to stabilize the towering stack. The fully loaded pallet reaches its maximum height and weight. Stretch film secures the load for the long journey ahead. Automated systems affix a unique digital passport to every single pallet. Laser-guided vehicles transport the heavy loads silently towards storage. The pallet enters the towering, darkened cathedral of the automated warehouse. High-speed cranes whisk the product vertically to its assigned rack slot. Millions of cases await distribution in this meticulously organized steel canyon. Orders are processed, triggering the retrieval of the freshest product. The system recalls the pallets, sending them back to ground level. Pallets flow down gravity lanes, staging for the outbound trucks. Forklift operators verify the load manifest before final movement begins. The massive delivery truck docks, sealing tight against the factory. The trailer interior is inspected for immaculate cleanliness and safety.
Forklifts continue the rhythmic dance, filling the trailer to capacity.
Pallets are interlocked in a pinwheel pattern to ensure transit stability. The final wall of product is placed, completing the massive shipment. Technicians install airbags and load bars to prevent cargo shifting.
The trailer doors are shut and sealed with a tamper-proof tag. The trailer doors are shut and sealed with a tamper-proof tag.
The truck driver performs a rigorous pre-trip inspection of the vehicle. The engine roars to life as the driver prepares for departure.
The massive vehicle pulls slowly away from the loading dock bay.
Security guards scan the paperwork and lift the final exit barrier.
The truck accelerates onto the main highway, merging with public traffic.
A cinematic aerial view shows the red truck crossing a majestic suspension bridge during the golden hour, symbolizing the journey to the wider world.
Continue on the current route toward the regional distribution hub. Your estimated time of arrival is 6:45 p.m.
The fleet converges at the massive regional distribution hub at twilight.
Precision maneuvering aligns the trailer with the high-volume receiving dock. Precision maneuvering aligns the trailer with the high-volume receiving dock.
High-speed cross-docking crews unload pallets for immediate local sorting. Advanced logistics software splits the inventory for specific city routes. Specialized side-loading trucks are packed for efficient urban retail delivery. As the city wakes, the delivery fleet rolls out for service, navigating busy streets to bring refreshment to the heart of the city.
The journey pauses at the loading zone of a major retailer.
The driver efficiently offloads stacks of product using a rugged hand truck.
Inventory moves through the service entrance, bypassing the public storefront.
30 cases of classic,
10 zero, 10 diet.
Fresh stock is wheeled out to replace the waiting supermarket shelves.
The shelf display stands as a perfectly organized wall of refreshment.
A customer spots the iconic shape and reaches for a cold bottle.
The cold, sweating bottle is pulled from the fridge, ready for purchase.
The laser scanner registers the purchase with a familiar electronic beep.
The scene shifts to a warm, sunny backyard gathering with friends.
The seal is cracked, releasing the pressurized fizz of fresh carbonation.
Dark liquid cascades over ice, creating a turbulent, sparkling effervescence.
The first refreshing sip marks the perfect end to the production journey.